I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the bird collage hosted by Barbie of Nellie and Ruth Designs. And I got this image, I fussy cut it from one of the Art Doll quarterly books that I showed on my last haul. I mean, they have got some of the cutest and most amazing dolls in here, which will be so much fun for collaging. So I've got this little lady. She looks like she belongs in a garden. And I've got some birds and these owls. So let's get started. Well, I hope everybody's doing great. I highly encourage you to check out Barbie's channel, Nellie and Ruth Designs. She is so talented. And I love her videos. Okay, let's see how we're going to do this. Kind of want her walking through. So I kind of want to go behind this flower. It's not a whole lot going on. I was going to have a video for you yesterday on my glue book, and then when I went to edit it, realized that I had the bottom part not in view, and since a lot of it was doing with the bottom, I just deleted it. So it was very frustrating to spend, it was about 45 minutes of my time filming a video that I wasn't able to even show. I've had that happen quite often, well, not quite often, but a few times in my cooking channel. Something would happen, my cake would fall apart, or I'd forget to come back and cut the camera on. Okay, I like that. See if there's anything, maybe this one. Probably should have went around those leaves. Okay, I like that. And let's see, I want flying over. I think this one I want on her head, although it blends in. And I want my owls down here in the corner. I think I'll go around these. Hope I don't mess this up. Still watching Castle. And I really like that show a lot. Okay. Oops. Oh, is that one little piece that... There we go. think I can get her down. So let me do that. I'm going to use art glitter glue. I think that will be a little better. Still reading the next Janet DeLeon, and it's good. I've been getting up early this week. My oldest son has to be at work so early, which is a good thing, because I used to get up real early every morning and I could get some more stuff done, but I've just gotten where I have the hardest time waking up. All right, so I've got that. Now for my owls. I like that. So I'm going to glue those at the bottom just in case I need to do something else. Oops. Come on now. You can do it. Hopefully I won't glue it down to my mat. I think I'm going to go ahead and get this one down. Cute. Alright. So let's see. There's my little birds. I know I had more than just two. There's one. There we go. That better. It looks like it's standing on his head. So I think I am going to go ahead and get these down. And owls I found, I think, in a National Geographic magazine, and my little birds came from my bird book that I usually use. Okay. I love the look on those owls' face. It's like, what the heck are we doing here? Just doesn't quite fit in. I don't know whether I still like it even though it blends in. So I'll just outline it so that it can be seen a little bit better. And then I've got this one flying through. See if I can get it behind these. At least just part of his tail. I don't know, I think I like it better on top. Okay. I love this. Alright, so now let me outline it just a little bit. Sharpen my Stabilo off. I'm not going to wet it, I'm just going to define it a little bit. Okay, got that one. This one. Okay, got this one. I want to go around my owls. Down well. Make sure I'm still in frame. I tell you, I put down backgrounds and I was having a grand old time because it had been so long since I've worked in my glue book because I was doing Maggie May last month. So, but I still had the fun, I guess. I love, love, love. I got 2 of the Art Doll Quarterlies and I really, really love them. Alright, and one last thing. Like I said, I love the look on those owls. So I've got this that says, "Don't judge me." I thought that was funny. Because I don't know why those owls are right in amongst of all those brightly colored birds in the daytime. Wished it was a little bit bigger. I probably wished I'd gotten it a little bit straighter. Alrighty then. I'm going to call this one done. I can add it into my book. And I love how it turned out. These are so fun. It takes more time to come up with the ideas than actually doing it. So, I got the worst part done, I guess. Oh, I did not go around this bird. Can't have that. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great, wonderful day. Take care. I love you. And until next, oh, be sure and check out Barbie's channel at Nellie and Ruth Designs. You will not be disappointed. She has the best collages. Her and Debbie of My Vagabond Style. Sorry. But y'all take care. I love you. And until next time, bye, y'all.